we present a service-based system for the analysis and abstraction of digital images for content moderation purposes. Based on a browser extension, our system automatically detects images on websites that possibly contains violent, nudity or medical content and abstract these to reduce users' affection. Our work is motivated by the recent findings on reducing affective responses to surgical images and videos. The objective of this work was to use image abstraction techniques to make images more easy to look at, while maintaining the overall context to make the material still usable for education purposes such as medical instructions. Based on this work, our objective was to go a step further, by also considering other domains that deal with sensitive, graphic or inappropriate or not safe for work data. For example, platforms such as Wikipedia are particularly used by young audiences to inform themselves or work on school projects, yet they can contain graphic or inappropriate content. We implemented our system using a service-based approach. It can be used in an ecosystem of devices, whether dealing with mobile or desktop systems. For it, the browser extension crawls the displayed web page, extract all images and initially replace them by a placeholder before display. It then queries a content moderation service via RESTful API to first classify the images according to its content and second to perform respective image abstractions. Our prototypical system supports different analysis techniques allowing for image classification and segmentation. The respective results are then stored and used for the subsequent image abstraction process. The abstraction service is queried by the content moderation service using predefined mappings between the classification results and the respective abstraction techniques. Finally, the processed images are transferred back to the client that exchanges their placeholders using the abstracted variants. We use machine learning approaches for image classifications, for example, the single-shot multi-box model and the Yahoo Open Not Safe for Work model. Based on the classification results, our system allows different mappings between content classification and the applied image abstraction techniques. We show this by the example for the combination of depicted weaponry and the number of people. On hovering, the browser extension offers a simple image overlay to allow a user to inspect the original images on demand. Furthermore, to allow for mapping customizations, the user can adjust the computed mappings by manually classifying the content using a dialog. We tested our system with 3 people browsing the internet over the duration of 8 days. The system runs on a dedicated single GPU server without a significant network overhead. We achieved stable request response times between 200 and 300 milliseconds. We believe that our approach and prototypical system represents a substantial contribution to the problem of content moderation. For example, it could be used to support the dangerous work of so-called cleaners who moderate cruel content for social network providers. Thank you very much for your attention.